Ed Sheeran's concert at Shillong JN Stadium on February 12 is expected to draw 27,000 fans, with over 60% coming from outside Meghalaya. The state government is working with Book My Show and the district administration to ensure smooth arrangements. To protect the stadium's turf, state-of-the-art turf protectors used in Coldplay's Mumbai concert will be deployed. Book My Show officials will inspect preparations on February 6th.
To follow up on preparations being made by Book My Show, the organizers who are bringing Ed Sheeran to Shillong to perform on the 12th of February. Since it's a major event and we will be hosting one of the best known contemporary international artists, so we wanted to ensure that all plans are in place.
In Nongstoin, 5 candidates including 2